Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Spy. In our previous lecture, we have seen how to create an instance in AWS account. Now we will see how to install Java, MAVEN and Tomcat in AWS account using MobXterm, which creates a session to the server 1. Now first you need to start the server 1. Just go to the instance state and start instance. After starting this instance, you will get the IP address. You need to copy this IP address for creating a session in MobXterm. Go to MobXterm. You need to create a session. Click on SSH. You need to paste the IP address we have copied from the AWS server. After that, you need to specify a name. It is best to keep it as EC to user because if you give another name, it may not work. Now, as we have downloaded a key, we need to just import the key, and now you need to click on OK. Now it will create an session with the server. After creating this session, you need to go to the root user. You need to type sudo su hyphen and it will go to the root user. As we can see here mentioned root. In root, you need to install Java, Maven and Tomcat. Let me see it step by step. First, I am going to install the GitHub. For that, you need to give the command yum install GitHub. It will start installing the Git. Same, we need to give the same command for installing the Java. Sudo yum install Java. When we give this command, it will install the latest version of the Java, which is nothing but JDK 25. After installing, we can see which version we have downloaded, like giving the command like java hyphen hyphen version. Like this, you can see I have downloaded a Java version 25. Now I'm installing the Maven. Same command you need to follow. After successfully installation, you need to check Maven has been installed or not. MVN-version. As we can see, Maven also installed successfully. Now let us move to the installing of Tomcat. Tomcat installation. First, in this I will explain the step what we are doing. First, you need to go to the browser and copy the link which is in a zip file, and you will take the zip file here and unzip the file. I will show you in brief. In here you need to search Tomcat9 download. In this you need to select the tar file. Copy the link and go to the MobXterm. You need to install Tomcat in OPT. For that you need to go to the OPT cd space / opt. Here we need to install it. Wget and paste the link. Now if we see, we have a file which is Tomcat, but it is showing in red because it is a zipped file. We haven't started it unzipping. Now we will start unzipping the file. Now I have unzipped the file. Let us see. As we can see, it is in a blue mark, so it is an unzipped file. Now I will move this unzipped file into a folder. Name it as Tomcat folder. Now if we see, we have a Tomcat folder. Now we have installed the Tomcat in a Tomcat folder. Now go to the Tomcat. In Tomcat you will see several folders. Now go to the bin option. To start Tomcat, you need to give command /startup. Now Tomcat has been successfully started. If you want to check Tomcat has started or not, go to the browser, copy the IP address. You need to paste it, but there will be some problem because you haven't set any security rule, so you need to add a security rule to it. Go to your security groups. In security groups, you will have seen 3 IPv4. You need to add an rule. So edit inbound rule, you need to add a rule. Just keep it as default. You need to add the port number 8080, which is a local system, and save the changes. As you can see, it has been successfully created another IPv4. Now just you need to go to the browser, paste the IP address colon 8080. And if you see, this is the Apache Tomcat which we have been installed. Now I will just shut down it. For shutdowning the Tomcat, you need to give /shutdown, and Tomcat will be shut down. If you refresh this Tomcat, you will get no file. So in this way we will install Java, Maven and Tomcat in AWS account. So thanks for watching.